You are about to build and fully understand a real-world Django project in just 10 minutes. By the end of this video, you will have a fully working weather app powered by live data from OpenWeatherMap. No front-end experience needed. Whether you are a self-taught ACS student or just trying to level up your Python game, this is the Django mini project that will boost your confidence, strengthen your portfolio, and prove to yourself that you can build real apps. Let's build it right now. App. So go to the settings.py and in the install the apps. Start our server because if the server is working, we have to check that. So we have to get the link and go to your browser and paste the server. Yeah, our Django project is ready. Next we want to go to the views. So we have to first we import request to talk to our API and render to send data to our HTML. Then then we create our function and the next we want to weather data will store what we get from the API. Empty for now, like my fridge on Monday. Then we have to write user submit a form and we grab the city name that entered easy. The city is post because user submit a form. So next we are saying we have to want API key. So we have to search for that because the API is the content of the weather. So go to the Open Weather API and copy your API key. Then we have to URL that we insert the city name and our API into the Open Weather URL. Unit metrics gives us Celsius because we are civilized. Apps units because why we use units because the unit gives us Celsius. So we have to whether the weather is included Celsius. Next one is we have to response. This line literally makes the API call and turns the JSON response fit into a Python dictionary. It's like decoding the weather secret message. So next one is if response.get cod 200. Response is a Python dictionary written from the requesters.get url.json call. Checks the response code from the API. 200 means is just a success for a success sign. This ensures the API code worked correctly and the city name was valid. Box pulls out only what we care about. The first one is better data, this dictionary, and the first one is we have to the city because we care about cities and we have to fill them with city.title. Next one is temperature. the temperature also our very part of our weather app. So we have also to pull out only what we care about. This creates a dictionary called weather data that stores all the weather details. We will send it to the HTML template. Then city is the name submitted by the user. Dot title capital is the first letter of each word. Temperature is get the temperature in searches because we added a US matrix in the API URL. It acts as the main section of the response and puts the temperature value. And we have the next one is the description. And the weather key contains a list of weather conditions. We get the first item and we have to write another line. We have write city, temperature, description. And next we want to main humidity gives percentage of humidity. And we write wind speed also. And next one is the last one final note or return render request dot when we have not yet created weather.html or index.html. So we want to create template folder. Inside the template folder, we want to create weather folder. In the weather folder, we have to create our index.html. I already created index design for our web app. You can download it on our description and click there, and we have to render our index.html. So where we are weather and slash index.html, and we want to pass the parameters we have already created in a dictionary. Whether that we want to call in the index, and weather underscore data there we create in views.py. Then we can go to the then we can just run our server, or we can go to the URL. So we don't create URLs not yet. So we created path. We have to connect our views.py into the main project. So we have to import views.py to our main project urls.py. So there is an error because we don't import our views.index into there. We have to import that. Name is whether import views.py. Then the error is gone. There is another error. Where is we have not closed the dictionary city or curly braces. So we have to write there is another error because the errors are normal. If you have encountered an error, you are learning something new. So the error is gone because we write request, not requesters. That is the library of our project. And next one is we have to send our data into our HTML. So we have to write the Celsius weather dot temperature, and next one is we have to write the weather dot city, the city name, and third one is we have to write the description. So what do you think? Next one is, yeah, you told right, weather dot, you already told that weather dot description, and we want to it can become the capital. So we have to, in this way you can write the cap first, and also we have to write the country. It is humidity and wind speed. So do you there is a task for you. Next one is wind speed. Can you think about that? Yeah, if you don't worry, I will tell you weather dot humidity, and next one is weather dot wind speed. Yeah, that you have to. Yeah, we get dot we don't get wind speed, so we have to fix them. What is the error encounter step? Yeah, we forgot that the underscore. Yeah, our project is ready. It might be taking less than 10 minutes, and you can do it your own, and you can add your resume to this project. Yeah, I am from India, and I have to. So I am from India, and I write it. So hope you guys that like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my video in the here code and follow me on Instagram. We will see you on another video. Bye bye.